I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should already have Flutter and Git installed. Once done, open your project folder. Initialize a local repository with Git in it so Git starts tracking files. Make a gitignore tailored for Flutter to avoid committing build artifacts and credentials. Next, stage your files with git add, and create your first commit using git commit m initial commit. This captures the project state. By starting here, you avoid committing unnecessary files and set a clean baseline for pushing to GitHub. Once your initial commit exists, add the GitHub remote so your local repo has a destination. Choose SSH for convenience or HTTPS for simple credential prompts. Run git remote add origin URL and confirm with git remote v so you see fetch and push endpoints. If your local branch differs, rename or create main to match GitHub, then push using git push uorigin main. This sets the upstream. Make sure to include build configuration or CI files if you need automated checks. You should now verify the repository on GitHub, ensuring commits and files are visible. Once done, create branches for features and use pull requests to merge. If push fails due to authentication, configure an SSH key pair or create a personal access token for HTTPS and update your remote URL. This fixes permission-denied errors. Finally, make small commits, push frequently, and use descriptive messages so you can revert if needed. This keeps your Flutter project robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.